Testing 1, 2, 3. This is Shar Time 1. Shar stands for Sharice, and Time stands for talk, inspire, motivate, and empower. I like to say empower, edify, educate, and encourage you. Yes, you. Well, this is my channel, my podcast. On this podcast, I want to talk about life. I want to talk about everything. I want to inspire and motivate and empower you to do better and just to be your best selves. And we all can collaborate. We all can unite and build a community of unity and just build a tribe, so to speak. And my brand is me. And I am Shar Time 1. That's me. That's my brand. So this is just a brief introduction. I do have a YouTube channel, CHARTIME and the number 1.